This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: your game, a fresh save, and the Azure Flute event item. Load the file where you want the encounter, then save again to create a recovery point. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Next, go to the snow point or specific location required for the flute trigger and position your character precisely where the game expects you. Once done, open the item menu and use the Azure Flute to initiate the special sequence and progress to the next phase. You now trigger the event itself by using the Azure Flute exactly where required. The game checks your location, so step onto the correct tile first. During the sequence, follow on-screen prompts and let cutscenes finish. Interrupting them can cancel the encounter. If an NPC or time-of-day condition is needed, make sure it matches. This is why you recorded positions and timing earlier. After the flute activates, watch for the appearance prompt and prepare to save immediately once the special battle or scene begins. You finish by saving on a fresh slot as soon as the encounter or cutscene is confirmed. That secures the result. If nothing happens, reload the backup save, double-check location, NPC states, and time conditions, then repeat the procedure. Small offsets break the trigger. Make sure your game version and any patches or cheats aren't blocking event items. Corrupted ROMs or active cheats often prevent the flute from working. One troubleshooting tip: toggle the clock or reset nearby NPC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.